Welcome back to the channel. Today I am revealing the top 3 secret all-in-one unlinked codes for 2026. These are the master lists. Once you have these 3 codes, you will never need to search the internet for an app ever again. If you already have the Downloader app and Unlinked installed on your Firestick, do me a favor and skip ahead exactly 2 minutes to jump straight to the secret codes. But if you have a brand new Firestick and you noticed Amazon removed the Downloader app from the store, do not skip. I am going to show you the secret Firesend workaround to force install Downloader, get Unlinked, and unlock your TV. Let's get right into it. Since Amazon is blocking Downloader, we have to use a bridge app. Go to your Firestick home screen, move over to the left, and click the magnifying glass search icon. Type in the word Firesend. Look for the app with the bright purple logo. Click it, download it, and let it install. Do not open it yet. Press the home button on your remote. We have to unlock your Firestick security system so Firesend can do its job. Scroll to the right of your home screen and highlight the settings gear. Go down and click on My Fire TV. Click into Developer Options. Turn ADB debugging to ON. Click Install Unknown Apps. Find the purple Firesend app and click it to turn it on. Hit your home button. Go to your apps list, the 3 squares, and open up Firesend. And from the main menu, click on Room/Share. Type exactly this: download. Join the room, wait a few seconds, and click the orange Downloader app to install it. When it's done, click Done. Now open your brand new Downloader app. Allow the permissions. Click the URL search box in the center of the screen. Type in this exact web link and hit Go. Click the Download Android app button and hit Install. When it says App Installed, click Done and delete the setup file inside Downloader. Hold the Home button. Go to Settings, down to My Fire TV, open Developer Options, and click Install Unknown Apps. Find the brand new Unlinked app in the list and click it to turn it on. Hit the Home button, open up your brand new Unlinked app, and let's enter the master vaults. Click on Add a new library. Let's start the countdown. Take your remote, type the number 4 8 times, 44,444,444, and hit Enter. Guys, this is the ultimate cord cutter mega vault. It has absolutely everything in one place. You will find the best cinema HD alternatives, fully updated live TV apps, utility tools like background apps and cache cleaners, and ad-free YouTube versions. It is perfectly organized and updated weekly. Go back, hit Add New Library, and type the word Super Apps. Then hit Enter. It will ask for a PIN code. Type 911,911. Welcome to the hidden gem of 2026. This store focuses strictly on high-quality, premium-feeling applications. It has the absolute best media players, like MX Player and VLC, premium sports tracking apps, and high-speed movie scrapers. Quick pro tip: if you are running a high-end live TV service like Mint IPTV or Pulse IPTV, you absolutely need the custom video players found inside this specific code to make sure your 4K sports streams never buffer. Go back one more time, hit Add New Library, and type EB2E4A4C exactly like that with capital letters, and hit Enter. If you want variety, this is your new favorite code. This master list contains amazing niche apps, dedicated anime streaming apps, 24/7 retro cartoon networks, and one-click movie apps that do not require you to search for links. You just click the movie and it plays instantly. To get anything from these incredible all-in-one stores, just scroll over the app you want, hit download, wait for the progress bar, and hit install. When you are completely finished, hit your home button, go to your apps list, and move your brand new apps to the front of your home screen. And that is it, guys. You now have the 3 most powerful secret app stores on the entire planet. If this step-by-step master guide worked for you and saved you a ton of time today, please do me a massive favor. Absolutely destroy that thumbs up button right now. It helps the YouTube algorithm push this video to more people who are locked out of their Firesticks. Make sure you subscribe with the bell turned on so you never miss a new secret code. And I want to hear from you down in the comments. Out of these 3 mega vaults, which one had the best apps for you? Drop a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching, keep streaming, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!